Alright boys and girls, let's have a look at the variance or standard deviation of these numbers. So the first thing we need to do is find the mean of this sample here. So simply we just need to add up all of the data values, divide by how many there are, and that gives us our mean. Okay, so I'm just going to do that quickly. Divide by, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 data values, and that's going to equal 8. So as you can see there, I've just done that on my calculator. It equals 8. There is another way to work out the mean of a sample other than just using it via hand, so I'm just going to show you that quickly as well. Alright, we have our trusty emulator here in the corner, so if I just go into the stat function and I put in those data values, okay, 7, 11, 8, 2, 15 and 5. Of course you should have seen this before, you should know how to do this. Calculate, make sure I'm to list 1, yes I am, first variable, and you can see the sample mean is 8, exactly what we got, awesome. Now it says find the sample standard deviation using the formula. So the first thing I need to do is the formula, right? There's a couple of ways to do this. The easiest way is possibly the way the textbook does it, by just finding out what x take sample mean is squared, okay, and finding out the total from that. So first thing I'd do is I've got 7, take away our sample mean of 8 and square that, and that's going to equal minus 1 squared is of course 1. Alright, I'm going to do that for each of the data values here for you now. Alright, and show you what I'm talking about. Now all I've done is I've put each individual value in, so that xi, that individual value in, and worked out, hey, 11 take 8 is 3, 3 squared is 9. Okay, 2 take 8 squared is minus 6, minus 6 times minus 6, minus times a minus becomes a positive, that is 36, etc. Then I've added up all of these values, okay, and I can now put that into my formula. So my formula is S equals the square root of the sum of each of these individual values squared, okay, which is of course 104 now, divided by n take 1, the number of values take 1, which is 6 take 1. Okay, let's simplify this. I've done my sum already, I've added them all up, so it's just 104 over 5. Okay, and that equals, okay, so I've just done it, that is the square root of 20.8, which is approximately 4.56. So that is an easy way to use this formula, okay, to answer for the sample standard deviation. Now, again, technology, if we're using technology, I've put in all my values, okay, and I should be able to find somewhere here is a standard deviation. Let's have a look. So if you're looking through and you find this symbol here, you can see there is my standard deviation. Okay, this is for my sample because it is minus 1, it is n take 1. Alright, on the bottom, and there it is 4.56. So that is my sample standard deviation using these old Casio emulators. Alright, hopefully this one helps you out, guys. Good luck.